Alright YouTube, this is my brother's iPhone right here. As you can see, it's completely different than my iPhone. This is my iPhone right here, this is my brother's, and I'm using my other iPhone. Right now we're going to open up SHSH, and I'm going to show you myself that the SHSH that I have for my iPhone is different. And I'm also going to save this SHSH. What are you trying to do?
Cover up my name.
As you can see, the iOS 5.0.1 SHSH has arrived. I'll exit this.
Oh, thanks.
Now I'm going to open up Start. And I'm going to search the .shsh file. Now as you can see, I have multiple different SHSHs, and this is the SHSH of my brother's. I'll open the file location. And I'll drag it to my desktop, and I'll even show you that once it installs on my phone, it'll be different. Okay, now we're going to create the iFaith file. And you need 1.4.2 for this. I'm going to disconnect my brother's phone and connect my phone in place right now, just so I can get this started up.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm going to show you guys how it works. And I'm going to do it on my phone just to prove it to you guys. And now we'll go get the SHSH that I put on the desktop on my brother's. It's not my SHSH. See the code? And I'll show you the one in the Dropbox that I have for you guys. Completely different, the names. See? Here it loads. Now, we'll select the 5.0.1 IPSW. Hold on, I think it's on my desktop. Thought I saw it. Nope, that's the 5.1. Just a sec, guys. Oh, it's right here. To my Dropbox and the iOS 5, and there you go. Now it's going to verify it, and I'm also going to restart my phone like that as well, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how this works. I'm going to build the IPSW, and I'll be right back when this is done. Alright guys, see, it's completely done. And I also have Red Snow opened up just ready for this. It's done building the IPSW. We proceed. Now I'm going to show you the Pwn DFU. Once again, we're going to do the same method we just did last time. Hold the power and the home still on the regular screen. It's going to go off. 3, 2, 1, 0. And now we just hold the home button. And we start the video. And we start this. And now it will sync. Now iReb will run. And as you can see, it's now in Pwn DFU mode. We'll click OK. We hit exit. And now Cydia is right there for us. I was going to use the Cydia Pwn DFU, but it's okay. We can move on to the next step. As you can see, my brother's signed IPSW is also here. So I'm going to install that right now for myself. So it's a different IPSW. Shift, restore. See, this is my IPSW. I'm not going to install that. I'm going to show you right now my brother's. Here's my brother's IPSW. Here we go. Still gonna work on my phone, of course. Watch. It's not gonna load all the way through. As I said, it's gonna crash. See, my screen still turns on. It'll load the Apple logo. Now I'm also going to stop it as soon as the iFaith logo comes up, and I'm going to show you. See? Loads. iFaith logo. As you can see, the iFaith logo came up. Still restoring. And I'll come back and I'll show you guys what happens next. Alright guys, we're approaching the right end of this restore. As you can see, it's still loading. It's verifying, and look, the error will come up now. Hold on, we're going to look right here. Now it's going to complete over here. It's going to hit the end, but it's also going to crash. See? Makes it all the way to the end. We'll go back here. As you can see, error 37 came up. We're going to click OK. That's okay with us, right? Now the next step is actually to open Red Snow. As I told you guys, this is the only part I'm worried about over here. You guys are telling me in the comments that it doesn't work. But if we do just boot, now look at the iPhone. See guys? Turns on. It's patching the files. It's waiting for reboot, updating kernel. And now look. It's done. Now watch. Look at the iPhone. I'm not even joking with you guys here. I used my brother's signed IPSW. And there you go. Yes, it's untethered. I understand. But this is only temporary. Now we're going to also run Tiny Umbrella right now before this crashes on us. Which it will. We get Tiny Umbrella ready. As you can see, I'm already getting it ready. The iPhone will start up by itself. Click OK. iTunes. If this does not work and your iPhone ends up like this, I put it into this mode on purpose. See how it's still loading? This is how you will fix it. Now pay attention. You'll do the same thing. Hold both of these buttons down. Power, home button, till it goes back into DFU. When at DFU, let go of the power, hold the home button. Now this only happens for some people. That's why I said this. Now you'll minimize this. You'll open back up Red Snow. You'll run extras, and then you have to run recovery fix. This is maybe for the first time around, just so it fixes the loop. Now if you look at the iPhone, it's going to do exactly what it does when it jailbreaks. It's installing jailbreaking data. As you can see, all the codes are loading. Now don't worry, this will also happen to you. Now this is in case your phone gets stuck in that recovery loop, and I'm going to show you how to get out of it right now. Usually doesn't happen. I put my phone like that just so it automatically does it. It's almost complete. Once it's complete, I'll show you how it's going to skip through that. It's going to be like an illegal model of it. Now you see the phone shut down again. This is for recovery fixed. Now I'm going to open back up Red Snow. And now this time when you run it, it's going to work. Now when we do just boot, see the iPhone loaded. This is the second time around. Now I'm opening up iTunes, getting it ready. If your iPhone had that happen to it, where it was stuck in a loop, this will be the fix for it. See? Now it's up to the Apple logo. See? This is just in case. I'm going to create it as a new iPhone so then I don't get in trouble. See? The iPhone loaded perfectly. Set up as a new iPhone for now. Skip every step. And now we'll set up the iPhone. I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done.